Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back to the Forexation YouTube channel. We're going to continue on this Trading View series, and today we're going to be going into the scripts and the language they use, which is Pinescript. So buckle in if you're wanting to get a little more technical, both with the indicators as well as creating your own indicators or modifying public scripts. This is the video to get you started and pointed in the right direction. Now, I will say Pinescript is very simple and easy to understand. So once you get it down, it's pretty easy to kind of edit code that's already public, combine codes, two different scripts together to make it your own, delete stuff you don't like, as well as just kind of creating your own strategy. So you could create indicators, or you could create an actual strategy that will do back testing and output data for you. So really awesome and really cool how such a simple programming language, you could really do a lot with. So we're up here in the communities, and then we went down to community scripts. That's what we're on right here. So there are tons and tons of scripts to look at, but I just kind of want to give you guys the overview and show you how to get started with Pinescript. And I'm even going to get shout out a channel that taught me a lot about coding, and I'd highly suggest you do too. If you're in our masterclass community, if you look in our Discord under Pinescript, everything you need to know, all the resources and everything that we use to learn Pinescript is in there for you guys to use as well. Like I said, at the end, I'll shout them out, give you guys a little push you in the right direction to learn a lot about Pinescript. All right, so this is going to be the main page, and you could look up indicators. This is, for example, we'll just click on this one right here. So this is a probability, is a valuable indicator that it's a breakout. So if we click on this, it'll show you what it looks like. That's kind of cool. Kind of gives you calculations on how where price is going to go. Looks like it's profitable, and it knows kind of the way it's going to go. Looks like he's on the weekly chart. So they always post about it, kind of explained the script, give you more examples of it, more settings to tweak, the alert call functions, and how to use it. And then what's cool is here's to support him. And then what's cool is you could add it to your favorites. So when you're in the charts, you could add it to your charts, but all the code is posted when it's public like this. So you could kind of see he's on version 5, which is the new version of Pinescript. Kind of like the title. If you know website designing, it's kind of like the head, I guess. But yeah, so you could look through this, kind of see what he's doing to make this indicator, which is pretty awesome. So, and then you could comment on it, let him know. You could donate to him, and just kind of get reviews of what people are saying about the script. So that's seeing the scripts, right? And if you want to look for a specific thing, if you want to look at all strategies or just whatever, you'll know what you're looking for. So they're all sorted out, so you don't have to look through pages and pages and pages. But what I want to point you at is right here. So these are all the people that were part of Pinescript and helped out the program. They got the manual here. So you can kind of search it, everything you need to know, writing scripts. You could do operators, and they'll give you examples and explain it all. So documentation manual is really cool if you're into reading it and want to learn on your own. Everything you need to know is in here for you to do that. Then they also have references, Stack Overflow if you want to ask questions about it, and they even have the Pinecoders resources. So this is I feel like this is the appropriate time to shout out a channel that really helped me out with my Pinescript journey. I think it's the full title is Zen and the Art of Trading. But this right here, if you want to learn anything Pinescript, this is your dude right here. Really nice guy, really good at explaining everything, and he covers a lot of things, builds different strategies, so you could code them up yourself and then tweak them yourself and all that stuff. So really, really awesome. Definitely a huge shout out to the Art of Trading. Helped me learn. Actually, I can just pull up TradingView here. So once you're in TradingView, if you want to pull up the coding, my charts don't look like this. Like I said, I'm working on pulling out some data from the markets for you guys. So if you're in the masterclass community, it's in Discord for you. The high and low data. You'll know if you're in. If you're not, click the link down below. If it's not already public, click that link below in Linktree and put your email in so we could get you on the list to join it when it becomes available. So this one's on last version, which is fine. It's not like it's gonna break or anything, but they do. This was my code, they let you convert it to Pinescript 5, but it's not mine, so it's not gonna let me convert it. So anyways, you can pull this up. If this was my script, I could just type right here and make edit changes and then save, and it will do changes back on the chart. But this is not mine, it's locked. Now, you can make a script copy if they allow you to, and then you could make tweaks and then resave it as your own version. A little tip right there. So if I'm not learning from the art of trading, I just pull up scripts that I'm interested in or kind of similar to what I'm interested in doing, see how they do it, and I'll copy some code and put it in mine. A good rule of thumb is always shout out the coder. He should have put more in the up here, kind of like his tagline and everything. But at least it's in the title, so you could shout them out if you use any of this code in your own indicator. So that's good practice. Just have fun with it. I'm always, even if I'm not going to use an indicator or I'm not going to use a strategy, I just code one up anyways when I'm bored, just so I could get used to Pinescript. And you may stumble across a strategy that's really profitable, and then you could enter at your own risk with your strategy you created. So that's very awesome. I'm not going to do too much actual Pinescript tutorials on this channel. Like I said, I'm still very new to it. I could get my way around it because the way it's set up is pretty simple, but definitely if you want to deep dive into it, the Art of Trading is your guy for sure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, if you haven't joined the masterclass community, or if it's not public yet, click that link down below in the description. It'll be a Linktree link. You'll see all our links, and then just click on the one that says Masterclass coming soon. Put your email in, get on the list, and you'll be the first to know. There may be some discounts and maybe even some free subscriptions we give out when we go public. So definitely get on that list if you're interested, and who knows, you may win a free membership. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great week, day, month, year of trading. Peace.